See, first of all, you have to understand what the fight is about. Fight is not about politics. That is superficial. What is your name? Brother, here, with the turban? What is your name? Balinder Singh. The fight is about whether he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear his turban in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear a kada in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be able to go to Gurdwara. That's what the fight is about. And not just for him. For all religions.
हाई लेवल में कह रहा हूं चक्रवर्ती क्लास स्टेटमेंट दी जाती है मूर्खता में। तो सवाल ये पूछना चाहिए, राहुल गांधी जी आपने ऐसा बयान दिया, भारत की जनसंख्या कितनी है? 140 करोड़ है। कितने सिख है, कहां रहते, कहां पे आपको किसी सिख कम्युनिटी के मेंबर ने या रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ने कहा कि हमें पगड़ी पहनने में मुश्किलात है? भाई आई एम ए वेरी प्राउड सिख। मैं पिछले 60 साल से ऊपर से I've been wearing a turban, I've been wearing a kada. I've never come across anyone who said that they have a difficulty in wearing a turban or wearing a kada. So I think this statement I would not attribute to कि उनको समझ में कम है. I mean, it was in his father's time when a pogrom was carried out. 3,000 हमारे community के लोग in cold blood they were killed. In the grandmother's time, दरबार साहब पे हमला हुआ था. तो ये नहीं कि उनको चीज पता नहीं. I thought he was not born and some of the things is unfair to target him for what his grandmother did. But the issue is, he should be, now he is, I mean, युवा नेता कहते हैं उनके बारे, but he's not युवा. He's a युवा by a very flexible definition. You understand? He's been in politics long enough. So he should realize that if you are outside the country, even within the country, you make a statement like this, even within the country, you will be laughed at. This is a statement which deserves to be condemned in the strongest possible terms, and I think it shows him up that he is not, there's not political immaturity. ये वो क्या कहते थे पप्पू, ये वो वाली चीज नहीं है, ये कुछ और है. ये he is trying to incite my brothers who live outside the country, जो मेहनत से अपनी कमाई करते हैं, उनको देश के बारे में पता नहीं, उनके सामने बैठ के अरे आपको तो पगड़ी बांधने में बड़ी मुश्किल हो रही है. सवाल ये है कि can a person, and so applies to other religions, making generalized statements without any basis, and I think he'll be hauled up for it.
जी सर, एक सवाल दिल्ली सरकार के लिए, कुछ बीजेपी के एमएलए ने एक लेटर लिखा था.
मैंने वो रिपोर्ट देखी है. एमएलए जो हमारे हैं, they had gone to call on the महामहिम राष्ट्रपति महोदया, and they had presented. I've read the report. It has gone to the Home Ministry. अब उसमें क्या कार्यवाही होगी, क्या होगा, क्या हमारी सोच होगी, I am not in a position to comment, but you let it develop.